the £100 Bitcoin challenge. Are you in? Let's talk about cryptocurrency. It's exciting, right? The world of digital currency is buzzing with potential and opportunities. It feels like the future of finance is unfolding before our eyes. And the best part? It's accessible to everyone, not just the financial elite. You don't need to be a millionaire to get involved. With just a small investment, you can start your journey into the world of Bitcoin. Remember when Bitcoin was just a blip on the radar? It was a niche interest, something only a few tech enthusiasts talked about. Some people took a chance, invested a little, and rode the wave to incredible gains. They saw the potential and seized the opportunity. Now, I'm not promising you'll become an overnight Bitcoin billionaire. Investing always comes with risks, and it's important to be aware of them. But what if you could turn £100 into 200 or even 500? Imagine the possibilities. That's a nice return on investment. It's about making smart choices and watching your money grow over time. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about patience, strategy, and understanding the market. This is about taking a chance on something new. It's about being part of a financial revolution and exploring uncharted territories. It's about learning, exploring, and maybe, just maybe, being part of something revolutionary. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and full of potential. So, are you ready to take the £100 Bitcoin challenge? Let's dive in and see where this exciting journey can take us. Dream big, start small. Your crypto goals on a budget. Before you buy your first fraction of Bitcoin, let's talk goals. What do you want to achieve with your £100 investment? Maybe you're saving for a holiday, a new phone, or that vintage guitar you've been eyeing. Cryptocurrency can be a tool to help you reach those goals faster. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your £100 won't magically transform into $1 million overnight. Start small, set realistic goals, and be patient. The crypto market can be volatile. There will be ups and downs, but by starting small and staying focused, you'll be in a much better position to ride out the storm and come out ahead. Crypto 101. Understanding the basics before you begin. Cryptocurrency can seem like a foreign language, but don't worry. You don't need a PhD in cryptography to understand the basics. Think of cryptocurrencies like digital gold. They're decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by governments or banks. And just like gold, their value is determined by supply and demand. Bitcoin is the most famous cryptocurrency, but there are thousands of others, each with its own unique features and potential. Do your research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Your first crypto purchase. A step-by-step guide. Ready to buy your first cryptocurrency? It's easier than you think. In this guide, we'll walk you through each step to ensure you have a smooth and successful experience. First, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it like a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell crypto. It's important to pick a platform that is user-friendly and secure. There are many reputable exchanges out there like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Each has its own features and benefits, so take some time to research and find the one that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. This usually involves providing some personal information and uploading identification documents. This is an important step to prevent fraud and ensure the security of your funds. Exchanges use these measures to protect both you and the platform from potential threats. Now comes the fun part, buying your first crypto. This is where you get to choose which cryptocurrency you want to invest in. Most exchanges allow you to buy crypto with a debit card, which is quick and convenient. You can also use a credit card or bank transfer if you prefer. Each payment method has its own processing, times, and fees, so choose the one that works best for you. Simply select the cryptocurrency you want, enter the amount you want to buy, and confirm your transaction. Make sure to double check all the details before finalizing your purchase. Congratulations, you're now a cryptocurrency investor. Keep track of your investments and stay informed about market trends to make the most of your crypto journey. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your crypto portfolio. You've heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket, right? Well, the same goes for cryptocurrency investing. Diversification is key to managing risk. Instead of putting all your £100 into one cryptocurrency, consider spreading it across a few different ones. This way, if one cryptocurrency performs poorly, your entire portfolio won't be wiped out. Think of it like building a team of superheroes. You want a diverse range of skills and powers to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Keeping your crypto Fort Knox secure. Hot wallets versus cold wallets. Now that you own cryptocurrency, you need to keep it safe. The digital world is full of opportunities, but it also comes with its own set of risks. Protecting your digital assets is crucial. This is where wallets come in. Just like you wouldn't leave your cash lying around, you need a secure place for your crypto. Think of a crypto wallet like a digital bank account for your cryptocurrency. It stores your private keys, which are essential for accessing and managing your funds. There are two main types of wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. Each serves a different purpose and offers varying levels of security. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them convenient for everyday transactions. They allow you to quickly access and use your crypto for purchases or trading. They're like your everyday wallet that you carry around with you. Easy to use, but not the safest for storing large amounts. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline, offering the highest level of security. They are not connected to the internet, which makes them immune to online hacking attempts. They're like your savings account that you keep locked away in a vault. Perfect for long-term storage and large amounts of cryptocurrency. For small investments, a hot wallet is usually sufficient. It's quick and easy to use, making it ideal for daily transactions and smaller amounts. But if you're planning on holding larger amounts of cryptocurrency, a cold wallet is the way to go. It provides an extra layer of security, ensuring your assets are safe from online threats. Zen and the art of crypto investing. Finding your balance. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. Prices can fluctuate wildly, and it's easy to get caught up in the emotional roller coaster. Don't obsess over every price movement. Remember why you invested in the first place: to reach your financial goals. Set realistic expectations, stay informed, and don't be afraid to take profits when you're happy with your returns. The roller coaster ride, embracing the risks and rewards of crypto. Cryptocurrency investing is not for the faint of heart. It's a high risk, high reward game. Before you invest a single pound, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly, and you could lose some or all of your investment, but with risk comes reward. Cryptocurrency has the potential to generate life-changing returns. Just ask those who invested in Bitcoin in its early days. Take the leap. Your crypto adventure starts today. You've learned about cryptocurrency, set your goals, and understood the risks. Now it's time to take the leap and start your crypto adventure. Remember, starting with just £100 allows you to dip your toes into the water without risking a significant amount of capital. It's a learning experience, an opportunity to explore a new and exciting world. So what are you waiting for? The world of cryptocurrency awaits.